Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are safe and secure at home. Welcome to today's IIT Biology revision class. Yes, so for the examination, you will be having in the first chapter nutrition in plants, first, second, and fourth synopsis. So, children, kindly follow the class up to the end. Okay, so that you will be getting good marks. If you follow the class and read, you will get good marks in examination. Yes, so let us start our revision class. Children, this is the first chapter, nutrition in plants. Yes, so for your FA1 examination, you will be having first, second, and fourth synopsis. Here third synopsis is not there for your examination. So kindly note that. So in the nutrition in plants, who is the scientist? Stephen Hales. So, Hales is the best known for his statistical essays. The first volume, Vegetable Statics, contains an accounts of experiments in plants. So, he do experiments in plant physiology and chemistry. Yes. So, in vegetable statics, Hale studied transpiration. So, here mainly he studies about the transpiration. Transpiration means the loss of water from the leaves of the plant. Yes. So, he estimated the surface area of the leaves of the plant and the length and surface area of the root. And also, he estimated the surface area of the leaves, how much it is occupying the space in the plant. Yes, this allowed Hales to compare the calculated influx of water into the plant. Yes, so in plant how much water is there he used to calculate. Yes, with the amount of water leaving the plant by transpiration. How much water the plant consisting of, at the same time how much water that it is transpirating. Yes, so this he also measured the force of the sap or root pressure. Root pressure also he used to study about that. Yes, he considered as the father of plant physiology. Who is considered as the plant physiology? Stephen Hales. Yes, Stephen Hales is considered as the father of plant physiology. Children, all of you open page number 135 in your material. Yes, page number 135 in nutrition in plants. The chapter is nutrition in plants. Yes, so practice 1, practice sheet 1. So let us answer these MCQ questions. Okay, so the first question. The visible product of photosynthesis is the visible product. That means after the preparation, what kind of food we can see in a photosynthesis? Means it is starch. It is starch. So you put the answer, tick here. Okay, near starch. And the second question. Dash regulates the pores of stomata. As you know, the stomata will be having a 2 cells. Okay, like this. Yes, so these two are the God cells. These two are the God cells which regulate the pores of stomata. See here, these two are the God cells. So tick God cells. Okay, God cells regulate the pores of stomata. And coming to the third children, this is not there for your portion exam. Okay, exam portion, this is not there. So just eliminate this. Okay, and coming to the fourth, the overall equation of photosynthesis is, as you learned, what is the overall equation of photosynthesis? We use carbon dioxide. So you see carbon dioxide is here. Okay, at the same time we use water. 3 of them it is having water. And next we are using sunlight and chloroplast. See here, C6CO2 plus 12H2O gives to C6H12O6 plus 6 oxygen molecules and 6 water molecules in the presence of sunlight and chloroplast. Okay. So in the presence of chloroplast. So the answer is 3. Okay, 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives you C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O in the presence of sunlight and chloroplast. Okay, and next coming to the fourth question, fifth question, the process of intake of food by animals and plants. Okay, the process of intake. So we are taking the food. The process of intake of food by plants and animals is called as excretion, transportation, nutrition, respiration. So the answer is nutrition. Yes, we are taking the food. The food will be consisting of all the things: carbohydrates, fats, minerals, proteins. Yes, so this is known as nutrition. Okay, children. Then coming to the next question. In leaves, photosynthesis takes place in leaves, photosynthesis. In which part of the leaf the photosynthesis will takes place? Mitochondria, ribosomes, chloroplast and lysosomes. So tick it chloroplast. Yes, chloroplast is consisting of a pigment chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is needed in the process of photosynthesis. So you have to tick it here, chloroplast. Yes, and next coming to the next question, the presence of which carbohydrate is regarded as an evidence of photosynthesis? ఫోటోసింథసిస్ మనకి జరిగింది, ఓకేనా, ప్రిపరేషన్ జరుగుతుంది అనడానికి కారణం ద ప్రజెన్స్ ఆఫ్ విచ్, ఏది ప్రజెంట్ అయి ఉంటే మనకి ఫోటోసింథసిస్ జరిగింది, ఫుడ్ ప్రిపరేషన్ జరిగింది అని అంటారు. సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ స్టార్చ్. ఎస్, starch is the form of food material which was formed by the leaves. Okay, so starch is the answer. And next question, green plant use which of the following to prepare food? Green plants, all the, you know how the plant will prepare its food with the help of water, sunlight, carbohydrates, carbon dioxide, etc. Yes, children, all these are needed for the preparation of food. So you have to take it all of these. Okay, all of the above. That means carbon dioxide, sunlight and water. Okay, and next, the visible product of photosynthesis is the visible product. Which is the visible product in photosynthesis? Already we learned here. So the answer is starch. Okay, starch is the visible product of photosynthesis. Okay, and next, the oxygen molecule in glucose formed during photosynthesis comes from. So the oxygen, where we will get the oxygen? The plants will take the carbon dioxide and releases the oxygen. So we will get the oxygen from the carbon dioxide. Yes, so the oxygen molecules in glucose formed during photosynthesis comes from carbon dioxide. Yes, so next, which of the following gas would disappear from the atmosphere if all the photosynthetic activities were to stop? So if the plants are not there in the atmosphere, okay, which of the following gas would disappear from the atmosphere? Okay, if all the photosynthetic activities were to stop, ఒకవేళ photosynthesis జరగకపోతే ప్లాంట్స్లో, if the plants are there, okay, if the plants are there, photosynthetic activity were stopped, which gas will first disappear? So the answer is oxygen. Yes, if the plants are not releasing, photosynthetic activities were stopped, which gas will be disappearing? There is no release of oxygen. There is no release in oxygen. So the oxygen gas will be disappearing. Yes. Next, photosynthesis takes place in. photosynthesis will takes place only in the green light or sunlight or invisible light obtained from any source. అంటే మన ఇంట్లో ఉండే లైట్స్ తోటి కూడా ఫోటోసింథసిస్ జరుగుతుందా? ఓకే, ఎలక్ట్రికల్ లైట్స్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ హై ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ లైట్. సో ద ఆన్సర్ విల్ బి photosynthesis. What is needed for the photosynthesis? Yes, sunlight. Yes, so only in the sunlight photosynthesis will takes place. Yes children. Okay, next 13th question. The process by which green plants prepare their own food is known as. Yes, we know, no children, the green plants which prepare their own food, the process is known as photosynthesis, respiration, symbiosis, or none of these. So we know that photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare their own food. Yes, okay. Next 14th question. The green color pigment in the leaves is green color pigment. Why the leaves will be in green color? What will be present in the leaves? Yes, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment, green color pigment, which is present in the leaves. Okay. And 15th question. Tiny pores on the lower surface of a leaf. Tiny pores, the small pores which will helps in exchange of gases. Which one is that? Yes, stomata. Yes, stomata is the tiny pores which are present at the lower surface of the leaf. Okay. And next, animals cannot carry out photosynthesis because animals cannot carry out photosynthesis. See, only plants can prepare their own food. Animals cannot prepare their own food. Why? Because due to lack of chlorophyll. Okay, due to lack of chlorophyll. Yes. And next 17th, photosynthesis means. What is meant by photosynthesis? Photo means, you know, light. Synthesis means the process, okay, which will grasp the energy from the sunlight with the help of the water, carbon dioxide, etc., will be preparing its food, plants. Yes, so the answer is synthesizing in presence of light. Okay, synthesizing in presence of light. Yes. Next question. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? This question is repeated. Yes, this is in page number 136. Sorry, yes, 136, page number 136. So which gas is released during photosynthesis? Answer is oxygen. This question is repeated. In the previous page also we have learned that. Yes. And next 19th question. Minerals absorbed by roots move to the leaf through. Minerals absorbed by roots move to the leaf through. So water and minerals will be absorbed by the roots. Yes, so roots will send the water and minerals to the plant. Yes, shoot system. So which part will transfer it? Means the answer is xylem. Okay, xylem will transport the water and minerals. Phloem will transport the food materials. Okay, remember. And next 20th question. Plants breathe through their, as we know, plants breathe through their stomata. Plants breathe through their stomata. Next 21st question. The transport tissue in plants is the transport tissue in plants is the transportation. Already here we learn, no, transportation of water and minerals and food. Yes, xylem and phloem. So the answer is xylem and phloem here. The transport tissue in plants is the xylem and phloem. Okay. Next, during photosynthesis, the solar energy is converted into, solar energy means sunlight. Sunlight will be converted into chemical energy. Okay, it is converted into chemical energy. Yes, with the help of the sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, the chlorophyll, the plant will prepare its food. Yes, so here the chemical reactions will take place. As we know the equation, no, once again remember that. So this is the chemical reaction. The answer is chemical energy. Okay. And next 23rd. Opening and closing of stomata is controlled by opening and closing. We know, no, children, once again remember this. Okay. What are these? Yes, what are these? Opening and closing. Here you can see the cells will be opening and closing. So the guard cells will control. The guard cells will control opening and closing of stomata. Okay. And next, the substance synthesized during photosynthesis is. Which substance will synthesize? Yes, glucose. Answer is glucose. Glucose will be synthesized during photosynthesis. Next, 25th. Most of the chloroplasts are present in. Most of the chloroplasts are present in. Chloroplast means here the more number of chlorophyll will be present. Yes, in which part of the leaf? Palisade cells. Palisade cells will be consisting of chloroplast. Okay. And next, 26th. In photosynthesis, main function of chlorophyll is to. What is the main function of the chlorophyll? Provide energy, trap solar energy, fix carbon dioxide, absorb water. The answer is trap solar energy. Chlorophyll will trap the solar energy. Whenever the leaf will get the sunlight, the chlorophyll will trap the solar energy. Okay. Next question. Carbon dioxide gas required for photosynthesis is absorbed through. See children, here the questions are related. Okay, the questions are related to photosynthesis. Yes, so be careful, read about photosynthesis more. Okay, concentrate on the topic photosynthesis, so you can answer you can answer MCQ questions clearly. Okay. Carbon dioxide gas required for photosynthesis is absorbed through. So you know stomata. Stomata will take the carbon dioxide and send out the oxygen. Yes. And the next question. Which part of plant is known as food factory? Food factory. From your earlier classes you have learned that food factory means leaves. Leaves are known as food factory of the plant. Yes. So leaves are known as food factory of the plant. Next question. Transport of food prepared in leaves to the other part of the plant takes place through. Which part? Food means you know phloem. Okay, food transportation will taken by phloem. But phloem consisting of two types of cells. Okay, phloem consisting of two types of cells. So which part will be transporting? Transport of food prepared in leaves. Leaves nunchi plant ki. Okay na? Sieve tubes. Sieve tubes of phloem. Sieve tubes of phloem will transport the food prepared in leaves to the other parts of the plant takes place through. Okay. And next question. More stomata are found on the lower surface of the leaf because more stomata. See, stomata will be present at the lower end of the lower part of the leaf. Why? They are asking why. So to increase the rate of respiration, or more light fall on upper surface than the lower surface, less light fall on upper surface than the lower surface. So here is a change to decrease the rate of photosynthesis. Yes, to decrease the rate of transpiration. To decrease the rate of transpiration. So the answer is to decrease the rate of transpiration. ఎక్కువ వాటర్ బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోకుండా ఈ స్టొమాటో అనేవి కింద పార్ట్లో లీఫ్ కింద పార్ట్లో ఎక్కువగా ఉంటాయన్నమాట. Okay, and next, nutrition. What is meant by nutrition? Nutrition is a mode of taking food by an organism. It refers to the type of food that an organism takes. It is a mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. All the above are correct. So I answer the all the above. These are all correct. Okay, and next, veins. Veins. Veins absorb water and minerals from the soil, absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, transport water, food, and minerals in a leaf, release oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Veins. You know, children, what are veins? See here, this is a leaf. Yes. You know, this is the midrib. Yes, this is the midrib, main midrib. From this, small veins will be present. Yes, what is the function of these veins then? So, the water will be transporting from branches to the leaf. So, this midrib will be carrying that water and sent to these veins. Yes, so the answer is transport water, food, and minerals in a leaf. Okay, tick it. And next, coming to the matching. Match the following. Here, 4 are given. Sunlight used for photosynthesis, light absorbed by leaf, photooxidation, optimum temperature for photosynthesis. So here the options are given. Yes, here the options are given. So once again, let us see. Sunlight used for photosynthesis. How much percentage of sunlight is used for photosynthesis? So here, how much the percentage is? 2%. Only 2% of sunlight is used for photosynthesis. Remember. Okay. Next, light absorbed by leaf. How much sunlight will be absorbed by the leaf? Here it is different questions. Already here sunlight is used for photosynthesis, not absorbed by the leaf. Okay, here sunlight used for photosynthesis only 2%. Okay, light absorbed by the leaf. First leaves will absorb the light. No, how much percent they will are? 80% they will absorb the sunlight, but only 2% will be used for photosynthesis. Okay, children. And next, photooxidation. Photooxidation. So here the answer is solarization. Okay, why I am telling solarization? Now I am going to explain. See in page number 138, last but one paragraph. Okay, however, this light intensity varies from plant to plant. Light intensity, that means absorbing the light will be different from plant to plant. Example, more in heliophytes, sun loving plants. That means the heliophytes plants will attract more sunlight than psychophytes. Okay, psychophytes are absorbing the less sunlight. Okay, children. And for a complete plant, rate of photosynthesis increases with increase in light intensity, except very high light intensity where solarization phenomenon occur. మరీ ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుంది? సోలరైజేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో ఫోటో ఆక్సిడేషన్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ సెల్యులార్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ క్లోరోఫిల్ అక్కర్స్. Here what will happen? Due to that is photo oxidation of different cellular components. ఆ లీఫ్లో ఉండే సెల్స్ అన్నీ ఏం జరుగుతాయి? ఎక్కువ సన్లైట్ని అబ్జార్బ్ చేసుకుంటాయి. దేనికోసము? సోలరైజేషన్. ద ప్రాసెస్ ఈజ్ సోలరైజేషన్. ఓకే, దిస్ మే అక్కర్స్ ఇన్ సమ్ ప్లాంట్స్. Okay, so there is a relation between solarization and photo oxidation. Okay, children, so that is the answer. So optimum temperature for photosynthesis. Optimum temperature, what is the temperature? Here temperature where it is given C, here C is given a centigrade, okay, Celsius, sorry. So 20 to 35 degrees Celsius, 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. So answer is P. Okay. Okay, my dear students, all of you prepare well for the examination. I'm sending you the worksheets, okay, so that you will be preparing well. Okay, all of you complete the worksheets so that you will present your answers very well. Okay, and you will get good marks. Thank you.